Now I guess is this? Are we officially on?
I think I see the red mark up in the corner. 20
Okay,
seconds in, goddamn.
I see eyeballs. I think we officially on, man. Because actually, we already was 20 minutes into the broadcast, and oh yeah, I guess we forgot to go live. You know, then let y'all know when we was actually live. But don't worry about the back door secrets, because you know what I'm saying. We at the front door, about to make it do with the truth. You know what I'm saying? Hey, knock, let us in. You know what I'm saying? Happy holidays. Black Grinches at the door. You know what I'm saying? We looking in the refrigerator looking for the photo. You know what I'm saying? Oh, fuck it, I brought them on.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna have to turn it down. I'm gonna have to give me another background. I keep fading in and out like I'm back to the future. You know what I'm saying?
It's because the camera too far away.
Oh, yeah. Hey. All right, fuck it, man. Let's go and break wall. All right, break better. We can do the break better. Break more stable. Yeah. Break out. All right, so check it out, y'all. Welcome to the wonderful world of stocks and crypto. This is the Bitcoin and Mo show. I don't know what the hell our name's at. Oh. Hold on, y'all. Goddamn, I'll take that. All right, if y'all you know what I'm saying? We will definitely invest your money, and you can believe that. All right, so that our name should pop back up. There we go. I am Smelly Coins. You know what I'm saying? This is my cohort. You still see me now, right? You see me now, not just a brick wall.
No, I see. I got you. I see.
All right. I know I might look like a spot on a brick wall. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just my, you know what I'm saying? That must be Flavor Flav, little cousin and shit. He got all that black on and shit. You never. All right, so check it out. It's my dog right here, Uncrypted Crypto. And we are Smelly and FMG Investments. You know what I'm saying? Official, unofficial, however y'all want to call it. So what we do here on this show, on the Bitcoin and Mo show, provide y'all with some basic terminology to get you interested in the world of digital currency. You know what I'm saying? We do not, and we always start every show. We do not provide financial advice. We simply give y'all some tips, some techniques, little tricks and stuff that we done learned along the way as we are learning along the way. You know, we sharing our information with you. Y'all on a journey, a learning experience, you know what I'm saying, with us. So as far as Bitcoin and Mo show, this show teaches just the basic terminology. We take you from, you know, we take you from A to Z of terminology. Airs at 9 a.m. normally Eastern Standard Time, or you can catch the replays. Just type in at BTCNMO when you go to YouTube, and you can also catch us at 9 p.m. on the Uncrypted Crypto Show with my dog right here, Crypto Tony, the one in on it, and it take you a little bit more depth into the shows all about knowledge. You know what I'm saying? I hope you come for some learning, as much interest and relevant content as we can. Happy holidays too, first of all.
Oh man, happy holidays, everybody. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, or whatever day you whatever holiday you celebrate on this particular day. I hope it was a good one. Again, I'm Crypto Tony. I'm from Uncrypted Crypto 8703 here on the YouTube platform. My show is pretty similar to Craze, just I go into a little bit more in depth and detail about pretty much the same information, just a little bit more in depth for people that, you know, maybe been into the crypto trading world a little bit longer. And yeah, man, I want y'all to make sure y'all, press the subscribe button, hit the like bell, whatever, turn on notifications, because this is what we plan to do for, the next few years, building up a library of information when it pertains to cryptocurrency. So with that being said, Trey, I'm gonna let you go ahead and get into the show, man. Just make sure y'all press the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. It helps us out. That we know on YouTube, that's the thing to do when you want to see a crypto channel or any YouTube channel grow. Turn on the notification bell and hit the like button. I appreciate you guys to do that. And let's go.
Stock trading is an intricate world with its own set of terminologies. Some of these terms are well known, like stock price, dividend, etc., but others are confusing and less used. Today we will talk about the meanings of 10 uncommon stock trading terms. Market capitalization, total value of a company's outstanding shares. Beta, measure of a stock's volatility in relation to the market. Order book, a list of current buy and sell orders for a particular asset. Limit order, an order to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. Resistance level, a price level where a stock or crypto may struggle to break through. Short selling, selling an asset you don't own in hopes of buying it back at a lower price. Fork, a change or split in a cryptocurrency's code, leading to the creation of a new currency. Gas fees, the fees paid to process transactions on a blockchain. P/E ratio, price to earnings. P/E ratio is the ratio between the stock's price and the earnings per share, EPS. It is used to assess the valuation of stock. Stop loss order. A stop loss is an order that a trader places with their broker. The broker is instructed to sell a security when it reaches a particular price. Candlestick charts. This chart displays price movements in particular sequences known as candlesticks. Blue chip stocks, large, reputable, and well-known companies that have a long track record of steady growth are identified as blue chip stocks. Margin call, when a trader's account drops below the minimum margin requirements, a margin call is placed by the broker to ask for more funds.
That's real. All right, I had to turn all the little fancy stuff off in the background. It wasn't working. We'll get the green screen and all that up. Make it all fancy for y'all, In the coming future, man. This week 4 right here, we still building. You know what I'm saying? I'd like to thank all our supporters out there, all the viewers tuning in. Comments. Keep it up. The comments will get deleted. They'll get deleted. But we need the views, so please, you know what I'm saying, come through and drop all the spam in the chat, and hit the subscribe button while you're spamming. You know what I'm saying? All right, so check it out, man. Uncrypted Crypto. First of all, how you doing today, my brother?
Man, I'm doing great. Spending time with the family. Enjoying the day, man. How about yourself?
Amen. Hey, I played Black Santa, you know what I'm saying? Took the gifts around, dropped them off, did my thing. Shouts out to Metropolitan Ministries. Got a chance to entertain the kids this morning early for the Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Brighten up some families that going through some hard times, you know what I'm saying? So it was an honor to be able to be in their presence. And on a special day for not really for me, you know what I'm saying? I personally don't celebrate Christmas, but But for people who do, you know what I'm saying? I embrace the spirit of the season. You know what I'm saying? Even though I do it year round anyways, but you know, it's just it's something about, you know what I'm saying, December, that end of the year wrap up is that, you know what I'm saying, you want to close up loose ends and all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Embrace going to the new year with a new spirit. So always paying it forward should be your number one priority, you know what I'm saying? And anything that you do. So that was my motivation for getting up 9:30 in the morning, or 8 o'clock this morning to be there, and just do and play my part. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to my uncle DJ Night Train, who was the DJ. I was just the MC. So with all that mushy stuff being said, we get into our first term, man. I'm gonna give y'all a direct quote off of Cash App. If you are investing in Cash App, once again, you can scroll down through your Cash App menu when you click on stocks. As you click on the individual stock, you can scroll down to where underneath and it says key stats. Under the key stats, you have the share price, market cap, the revenue growth, gross profit, and the net profit. All of those for the last 12 months. You can, it's a little eye next to the digits to each one of the numbers, and that'll tell you the information about each one of those terms. So the term that we actually discussing is market cap. All right. Now, market cap, and this is from, again, Cash App directly, says a common data point to determine the overall value of a company. It's calculated by multiplying the current share price by the total number of shares the company has issued and outstanding. So again, an example would be, this is straight off of Ford Motor off of Cash App that I'm invested in. Their share price currently is $12.35. Their market cap is $49.44 billion. So calculating that would be multiplying the current share price is 12.35, but then you would also have to find out the total number of shares that they've issued out and that they have outstanding. You know what I'm saying? And that's company info. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you can. How would you find that information out?
The bottom of the stock page, depending on what app you're at. So if it's a market cap of a certain amount and the share price is $4 or $5, just divide $4 or $5 into the market cap, and then that will give you the share price. So you can either divide or multiply in order to get the actual share number.
All right.
Depending on what number you're actually using.
All right, there you go. Market cap. More info, you can go to Cash App, look it up. You know what I'm saying? Click on the eye turns again, give you more information. All right. Next turn is beta. Seen it on the screen. Beta is not. We discussed this prior to actually going live. Beta is not beta testing. It's not the beta that we're thinking about in plain language, plain English terms. Beta is the measure of a stock's volatility in relation to the market. All right. Now I went online and looked this up. All right, to figure out what actual beta was. And this is what they basically say. Analysts use beta when they determine a stock's risk profile. High beta stocks, which generally means any stock with a beta higher than 1.0, are supposed to be riskier but provide higher return potential. Low beta stocks, those with a beta under 1.0, pose less risk but also usually bring lower return. Very important. It says that beta is a component of the capital asset pricing model, which is CAPM acronym, which is widely used to determine the rate of return that shareholders might reasonably expect based on perceived investment risk. Wonky shit right there, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know, some of these terms we get into gonna be some you know. I wish I would have went to school that. You know what I'm saying? And you know where you at. And we, you know what I'm saying? If you lost them, we find you heard that we even what we talking about. You need to go back to week 1. You know what I'm saying? Start off with week 1 because you in the wrong week. Yeah, you in the wrong week. Welcome to week 4, though.
You in the wrong week.
Yeah. You got anything you want to add to the beta? You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I'm gonna pass on this one. I ain't got it.
Yeah, that was just, you know what I'm saying? That was that wonky term. We just want to throw that out there to y'all. These are unknown or little used terms, you know what I'm saying, that we're presenting to y'all today. So again,
we're gonna swing back around to beta so that we can make sure that we all got a clear. I mean, I got a clear understanding of it, but I need a clear way to speak it.
Translate
people. I need a clear way how to convey what it truly is to the people, and I haven't got that thought yet. So we're gonna come back to that.
Right. All right, let's get into the next turn. Order book. The order book. Order book is a list of current buy and sell orders for a particular asset. Again, that's it.
That's it.
That's the order. That's it. Ain't nothing else.
That's it.
List of current buy and sell orders for a particular asset. Do we need to go deeper into that? Going deeper. How deep you gonna go for that?
Can't. I mean, nah. I mean, order flow, sales and buying and selling. Order flow. Oh, okay. Order flow can help you determine whether the particular asset has high value, right? Meaning that there's a lot of people putting money into that particular asset, or it could also mean wait, what's the question?
All right, well, let's get into a little let's dig a little deeper into it, y'all.
I go get some deep in.
Here we go. Term order book refers to an electronic list of buy and sell orders for a specific security or financial instrument organized by the price level. Order book lists the number of shares being bid on or offered at each price point or market depth. And it also identifies the market participants behind the buy and sell orders, though some choose to remain anonymous. These lists help traders and also improve market transparency because they provide valuable trading information.
So the order book, man, gonna help you determine whether you should invest into the company at this particular day or not. Order books show you volume, how much money being put into the company, how much money being taken out of the company, and it also gives you an indication on whether the company is gaining value or losing value just by looking at the order books.
There you go. Order book. All right. Next up, let's flip up the music real quick. Y'all don't mind, we're gonna flip up a little. All right. Hey, shouts out to the 1,000 viewers tuning in right now. Appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying?
On the replay.
Got 1,000 on the 4th week. You know what I'm saying?
On the replay, baby. Merry Christmas.
It's the Grinch that stole the views. You know what I'm saying?
Grinch don't want to set it real quick.
Hey, but it at a specific price.
Where we at, Trey? I lagged out a little bit. Where we at?
What's that? Oh, okay. So, if you're trading on hell, you can do it on any app, Cash App, Webull, Robinhood. Anybody will allow you to set a limit order. When you go into a place your to buy your stock, it's gonna have, you know what I'm saying, that you want to do a limit, limit order. It's gonna have different options of how you want to actually purchase the stock. So you can actually set a limit order, and I'm gonna let him break that down to you. But that's what it is. In order to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. Break it down.
All right, so a limit order is, I want to buy this particular share at this price. I don't care whether it's trading at $10 right now. I want to buy it when it drops down to $8. A limit order, right? And then you have the market order, which means, well, we ain't on market right now, so we'll just stick with limit order. Right, so limit order is how you how some people trade. You know, if the market is at $10, they want to buy in on the market at $7. They'll put a limit order at $7, and that order won't be fulfilled until the stock or cryptocurrency reaches that particular price that they have set. And whatever app that they actually use.
Now, what's the kind of importance of setting a limit order?
Well, a limit order allows you to buy in at levels that you know have support, right? So you can say, you can look at a chart and you can say, all right, it's trading at $10, but in my mind, I think that it may drop down a little bit. When you learn how to read a chart, you can go back and read a chart and say, like, all right, this particular cryptocurrency or stock has it has support at $8, right? Remember earlier we talked about like resistance, right? Resistance level. Right, so the resistance level is also the same thing as the support level, depending on which way the candlesticks are at, whether it's above it or below it. Right, so come on, Grinch, messing up my show, man. So yeah, limit order is when you place an order at a certain price point that will allow you to position yourself. Well, you should be positioning yourself from looking at the charts and seeing that it's trading at 10, but at 8 it has support, so I'm gonna buy at 8 because I know more people buy in at 8 and there's more people holding it at 8, and it's most likely they're gonna drop down below $8. So yeah, limit order. That's all I got.
And that actually goes right into our next term, which is what you just covered, was resistance level. Resistance level is a price level where stock or crypto may struggle to break through. All right, and that's the resistance level. So it's a price level where stock or crypto may struggle to break through. So it might be like we facing right now with Virgin Galactic. You know what I'm saying? So it's a resistance level to where it won't break over 260. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
It broke one time, but then it came right back down. It broke 12 cents over, but it came right back down under, 20 cents under. So it's not breaking. Resist that between price. 250, 260. What you got?
No, pretty much what you said, resistance. Understanding how to identify a resistance level will help you with your trading. Also, identifying support levels will help you with your trading. I think that's learning resistance and support levels is probably one of the most important fundamental skills you'll learn. You should learn first is understanding support and resistance, because you can gauge whether the stock market is going to go up or down once you learn how to read the charts in a professional manner. So resistance is when you keep hitting a level and you can't get past it. All right. So pretty much what he already said is you add $5, you come down to $4.50, back to $5. You cannot break the $5 limit, $5 line. So that's resistance right there, right? But also resistance can become support. You may have hit this $5 10 times, hit that $5, right? But once you cross over that $5, that now becomes support. So your resistance, once you get past it, becomes your support. Not always, but sometimes.
That's the theory.
That's the theory.
That's the theory.
Yeah.
That's the theory. All right, there you go. All right, next turn. We getting into punk ass motherfuckers. Short sellers. Or short selling.
Mm-hmm.
Selling an asset you don't own. Buying it back at a lower price. It was resistance from, because we done borrow somebody else's money to dump some bunch of money so they can short the stock, actually buy the stock and sell it, and then wait, because they hope that the money that they put in it will short the stock, make the stock go down enough to where they can buy back in again at that lower price and then capitalize when it go back up. Or did I go in too many circles?
I ain't even gonna lie, you lagged out, so I didn't hear nothing you just said. I hope that it's still recording. But I think it's me though, because I'm in the country. Like I'm on Wi-Fi with no bars, no signal, nothing. So it's probably me.
All right, it's all good. But anyway, going deaf on that then. Go and get your spill on short selling.
Short selling is pretty much for people that want to see you fall, man. Short sellers is people that want to bring the business down. It's all part of the game of stocks and crypto. But short sellers, they take and they sell at a high price and hope and pray that your stock go down or your crypto go down, so they can go buy at a lower price and then run it and then wait for the run back up. It's like I call short sellers people that learn how to read the resistance and support level, right? So they can see the chart and say, you know what, the volume is declining in this particular stock. There's not or crypto. So because I see the volume going down today, for the last 3 days, I feel like the value has been going down. Let me short sell it because it's trading at $10 and I think it's gonna go to $5. I'm gonna sell stock. I'm gonna sell the shares that I have at 10. I'm gonna wait for it to go down and I'm gonna buy back at 5. And then when it go back up to 10, I'm gonna sell again. So that's short selling. Short selling is finding and looking at a company and guesstimating whether the price of that company is gonna go up or down. If we did a pretty good job of explaining y'all so far, resistance, beta, all those things are you know, key indicators that help you with this particular, subject. So that's all I got, Trey.
There you go. Crypto Tony, the one and only. Right here live. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin and Mo Show. All right, so check it out, man. Don't get caught in the fork in the road. You know what I'm saying? This is not a fork in the road, and it's not a fork that you have in your, dish drawer. You know what I'm saying? A fork is a change or a split in a cryptocurrency's code, leading to the creation of a new currency, such as like your Jolo coin. You know what I'm saying? The coin out there, your Jolo coin. You know what I'm saying? We got all these other Bitcoins, and then you can now people are split off, and they can pump. You know what I'm saying? Popular coins off of the same concept. Your Jolo coin, you know what I'm saying, is one of those concepts that it's floating out there. People will catch on to it when they catch on to it, but it's out there in the stratosphere, and there you go. That's your fork. What you got? Then he's taking a commercial break real quick, y'all. Well, he might be trying to think of what fork he. I'm waiting on you, man.
My bad. Yeah, my bad. What you said?
Yep. I'm talking about breakdown. You heard me?
I'm sorry, my bad, Trey. What you say? Kids, man. Kids.
Oh, you all good. The fork.
Oh, fork in the road. The fork in the road when a cryptocurrency. I think a fork in the road when it comes to cryptocurrency is like two different things. It's one when a cryptocurrency starts to elevate, find more utility for itself, and evolves and become better. Or the other side of the fork, we don't go left or right, we just go straight. The other fork in the road could be a cryptocurrency was dying, and the team for that particular cryptocurrency decided to evolve the cryptocurrency in a way that would, hopefully would better the cryptocurrency. So that's what I got for that. I hope it helped.
So your Jolo coin ain't a fork off of any crypto.
No, it's not. Well, every crypto is a fork off of Bitcoin.
Okay, right. That's what I was saying. Right, that was my point. That was my point. Every coin, every other coin is a fork off of Bitcoin. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? A regeneration to start a new value. You know what I'm saying? To raise, to bring about a new coin, to hopefully bring about value to that coin. That's been forked.
Don't get forked, man. Don't get forked.
Don't get forked. So, okay, so being forked is a bad thing, though?
No, because that's a self-decision.
I'm talking about the current gas prices, you know what I'm saying?
Gas price for what? For trading?
They high. Any crypto gas fees are high. Depending on
gas fees are.
Depending on stock or the crypto that you. Or truthfully, gas fees are applied to the crypto, and the fees paid to process the transaction on a blockchain. So gas fees can be high depending on what transaction you know what I'm saying, the amount of transaction that you actually putting in. You putting in $1, you might not see no high transaction fee. You putting in $300 to $500.
Well, see, that's crazy because the other day
higher gas fee.
I try to trade like some MetaMask on my MetaMask the other day, like some Kuma for Ethereum. It was only like I only had like $3 or $4 of this shit, and they try to charge me $17 to convert that shit. It's like it's only $3. How you charge me $17 to convert it? This on an Ethereum blockchain too. So
Damn. See, that's the thing. So you got to be careful. You know what I'm saying? It's in this world that they are building. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of pros. There's a lot of cons. You know what I'm saying? And with these fees, the way that they are implementing these fees is what's going to limit people from being able to actually be able to make the bundles of money that, you know what I'm saying, people are currently making. It's going to limit it. It's going to get it to a point where even if you hit, you know what I'm saying, the amount of fees that are going to be associated with it will balance, you know what I'm saying, will balance out basically what the hell you actually going to make. You might hit 30,000, you know what I'm saying, they put $3,000 worth of gas fees on the motherfucker, you know what I'm saying?
shit, probably 10,000.
Yeah, 10,000, yeah. Feel me? Fucking, they're like $10,000 worth of gas fees, and then that's what you get out the rest. Well, yeah. Don't forget the taxes. Plus, invest your money either way, stocks or the crypto. You know what I'm saying? Stocks or the crypto. So
people, let's just know. Let's remember, if you make $100, you owe the government 40.
I mean, all right. So those gas fees. All right, let's get into the PE ratio, the price to earnings ratio. Is the ratio between the stock's price and the earnings per share, which is the EPS. All right, so when run that back again.
You want to fly on this one on yourself today?
The P. Well, let me look that one up. PE ratio. Let's go a little nerdy on that one.
And guys, look, keep in mind, guys, we still learning some of these terms the same way that you are. You know, some of them we got down packed, some of them we know how to use it, do what we do. And other ones, you know, they new terminology come up every single day for crypto. Crypto is a new thing, so every day you can find a new term for cryptocurrency. So just learn with us and go with us. And if you know something, if you want to hear, if you want us to research some crypto term or something like that, make sure you put it in the chat.
And most of the stuff that I get, the definitions and everything comes from Investopedia.com. So a great place to go. Type in some terms that you're trying to learn, or just browse around, and it's got so many terms and links and everything to investment knowledge that you can learn off of it, that, you know, it's a good place to go. Let's break it down. The price to earnings ratio is ratio price relative to its earnings per share, the EPS. The price to earnings ratio is also sometimes known as the price multiple or the earnings multiple. So, price to earning ratios are used by investors and analysts to determine the relative value of a company's shares in an apples to apples comparison to others in the same sector. It can also be used to compare a company against its own historical record, or to compare aggregate markets against one another over time. PE, which is what is short as price to earnings, PE, may be estimated on a trailing, backward-looking, or forward projected basis. There you go. Huh?
I said I feel like it's two of them that I gotta come back on. And beta and this one, the PE.
Oh, on the PE ratio.
Well, see, like when I understand something, I'm cool with, but when I can't explain it back to make people like to be like a teacher, I gotta. That means I gotta understand it even more than what I think I do, because I can't explain it back to give somebody else information. You know what I mean?
Right. But like for me, it's the earnings share price, earnings per share. So, okay, I get the price to earnings ratio relates a company's share price to its earnings per share. So now, what's the earnings per share? You still get more words, and that's what we can.
You know, I hope it's on
Build a database of words just off of per breakdown. So right now, earnings per share (EPS) is a whole definition that can be broke down and discussed. You know what I'm saying? To figure out, to get the whole total picture of the price to earnings ratio. But there we go. We just here to bring y'all some terms, man. Today we ain't getting too depth of hell. We ain't goddamn no analysts or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? You know, we learn it right now just like y'all learn it, you know? Yeah. All right, let's switch up the music and get into something else. What we got? I think that might be about wrapping it up. No, we got a couple of more people. All right, so we got stop loss order. Stop loss order is an order that a trader places with their broker that is not really definitive at all.
All right, I got you on this one.
But there you
go. All right, so stop loss. All right, so you buy a stock for $5 and it goes up to $10. You don't necessarily want to sell it and take the profit, but you also don't want to lose the profit that you just gained from the $5 increase from $5 to $10. So what you can do with your broker is set up a stop loss. A stop loss is if you brought in at 5 and then went to 10, you're going to set your stop loss at 7. Right? So that you still are in profit and you're not losing any funds. Stop loss. It's very self-explanatory. Stop your losses. The higher you go up in profit, the higher up you move your stop loss. Right? So if you'd have went to $20, then now your stop loss will be at $10 to $15. Right? But your buy-in was only at 5. So once you get in the green and you're making money on your stocks or whatever, move up your stop loss, your stop loss up so that you can guarantee yourself 100% profitability. All right, man. Make sure y'all put your stop losses in, man. Especially when you went up, you go up, put your damn stop losses. Don't take no L's, bro. Don't take no L's.
Now, at the same time, like if you sitting there watching, isn't that the same thing as like you watching the stock and then you selling it when it gets to this?
Yeah. A stop loss allows you to just go outside and play and go get coffee.
It's your order, okay. It's on order for you.
You know goddamn well if that shit drop down to 7, it's gonna sell and you ain't gonna lose no money. You might have got the whole 5 from the $10 uptick, but you still in profit. And most people trail the gains. So higher it go up, they just sitting there. All right, move my stop loss up to 10, move it to 15, move it to 12, move it to they just keep moving their stop losses up until they get stomped out. And most times if you get stomped out on a stop loss, you're in profit. because you set your stop loss at a profit. You never set your stop loss below the actual cost per share that you actually purchased.
Message.
I don't know if they got it though.
Hey, y'all better get it. All right, so check it out.
Got rewind on here.
Real. And the end was that the end to that is the broker is instructed to sell a security when it reaches a particular price. Sorry about that.
Yep. Same thing.
I need a whip.
Say again.
You really want to get into candles. I played the preview earlier. I seen the look on Crypto Tony's face when he seen candlestick charts pop up. You know what I'm saying? Like his eyes lit up. He's like, oh shit. Motherfucker got candlestick charts on it. Right. That heavy hitter shit. You know what I mean? That's the heavyweight. That's my show.
Heavy hitter.
You know what I mean? You got candlesticks on
another one.
You gotta get on that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a little or unknown term, you know what I'm saying, or just unused term, but you got to know it.
Hey yo, we could do a whole show on just candlesticks.
Might just run that. Might be the next show, you know what I'm saying. Next Monday we might just do a whole candlestick Monday, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna light up the candlestick and see what's popping. Y'all look forward to that, man. Look, all y'all candlestick lovers out there, leave some comments, man. You know what I'm saying? Tell us some tips and tricks what we need to be discussing on the show. And
hey, blow out all red candlesticks. Blow them bitches out.
Hey,
only let them green ones burn, baby.
Candlestick charts. This chart displays the price movements in particular sequences known as candlesticks. Candlesticks come in two colors. I am correct, two colors, green and red.
Well, yeah, they come in green and red, but on Weeble, you can make your candle colors whatever color you fucking want.
Okay, so you can change the color. So,
but for the overall market, for layman's terms, yeah, it's red.
Right, red and green. That just lets you know good and bad. You know what I'm saying? Green is good, red is bad. I mean, not necessarily.
Yeah, because I'm about to say it depends on what platform.
Got on me a little bit. We both lagging now. All right, we back. Yeah, okay, run that back again. Run that back what you just said.
Shit, man, I don't know. I was trying to wait for this shit done to freeze. I forgot what the fuck I was talking about.
Oh, okay. No, I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know we were talking about the candlesticks. Yeah. And you was talking about maybe we're gonna do a whole show on candlesticks maybe next Monday.
No, yeah, but no. What I was saying, we were saying is the candlestick is red and green good or bad? And when I said, well, technically, it depends on which side you plan on, because the green could be good if you're trying to wait for it to go green, or if you're short selling, you know what I'm saying, and you looking at the red because you want it to go down, down, down. You know what I'm saying? So you can short sell it and then buy back in to get back up into the green.
So it is depending on whether you're a bull or a bear.
Again, those are terms, bullish and bearish. You know what I'm saying? However you play in the market, are you gonna be a bull or a bear? If you don't know what those terms is, you need to go back to week one. You know
I was about to say that.
Cover that in week one. Week one. But yeah, we're gonna get into candlestick charts, man. Candlestick charts very fascinating, especially when you start learning what it is, and then you can relate. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, but you can relate the movements of the charts as you sit up there and watch your particular stock. You know what I'm saying? And how those candlesticks are moving, and then the patterns and all that kind of stuff. As or you can tune in to the Unencrypted Crypto Hour, and it shows you what candlesticks are all about, how to draw on the charts and all that kind of other cool stuff. You know what I'm saying? From Unencrypted Crypto 8703, man. You know what I'm saying? Very important that you follow our shows, because taking y'all on 2 different levels. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep going, man. This ain't gonna stop. It's what it is. All right, so let's get into the next one. All right, he's taking a quick break and be right back. All right, we're talking about the blue chip stocks. Blue chip, not the basketball scam shit. You know what I'm saying? Blue chip stocks are large, reputable, and well-known companies. Oh, wait a minute. My bad. Large, reputable, and well-known companies that have a long track record of a steady growth and are identified as blue chip stocks. So let's get into some blue chip stocks. What are considered blue chip stocks? Let's go, people. Investopedia is always your best friend, providing you with in-depth examples and definitions. You know what I'm saying? Really help you out. So, blue chip. Blue chip is a nationally or internationally recognized, well-established, and financially sound company that is publicly traded. Blue chips generally sell high-quality, well-accepted products and services. Blue chip companies have reputable brands that have been built and maintained over many years, such as Ford, which is kind of funny because their brands ain't that hot. But anyway, that and the fact that they have weathered multiple downturns in the economy make them stable companies to have in the portfolio. Blue chip companies operate profitably despite adverse economic conditions, which helps to contribute to their long records of stable. Couple of key takeaways. Blue chips are proven track record of success and stable growth. Blue chips are characterized by large market capitalization. Let's see. Although blue chips are reliably stable, they are unlikely to generate the same high returns as potentially riskier investments. So despite their stability, blue chip stocks can experience volatility and failure, as some did during the 2007 and 2008 financial crisis. Dun, 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 dun. And that's what you got. Blue chips. You know what I'm saying? Again, you want some more in-depth meaning on that, you can go to investopedia.com and type in blue chip. You got any blue chips there, crypto?
You said y'all have any blue chips in crypto?
No. Who are you? Name one company that you would consider a blue chip company that you're investing in.
Virgin Galactic.
I mean, they've been through volatile times. They've been up and down. They've been through the defunding, and they still float and they still making profit. You know what I'm saying? That's a blue chip company. If y'all ever want to know what a blue chip company is, look at their track record and look at where they're about to go. Look where they came from and look where they currently at. And then look what they track record on where they're about to go, because we're already going into space. So it is what it is. It's a done deal. You know what I'm saying? It's just an invest now and watch what's going to happen later. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to happen. All right, let's get into a margin call. and the minimum margin requirement. So get a little wonky into that, unless you want to jump onto that real quick. I'm gonna get a little wonky on it.
I ain't gonna lie, Trey. I stay away from margin calls because you can lose too much money. You can go up, but you can lose an infinite amount of money.
Okay. So a margin accounts let you see, and that's the thing. See, leverage right there. See that? Yeah, I feel you. Anytime you got to leverage something, people, man, listen. You ain't got the money to do it, don't invest in it. Margin accounts let you leverage your buying power and buy more stocks than you could with your available cash by taking a loan from your broker. The stocks purchased themselves are then held as collateral by the brokerage firm. The brokerage firm and the investor must follow many rules when buying securities on margin. They are not met. An account holder can receive either a maintenance margin call or a Fed margin call. And if the account balance falls too low because the securities purchase lose value, you will have to add more money to the account or else face a forced liquidation of your shares and some pretty hefty losses. Wow. I mean, so yeah, that really, to me, that's kind of stupid. All right. It's kind of stupid to take a loan in a volatile world of crypto where you already, you know what I'm saying, posed to you know, lose your own damn money. You know, why would you sit up there and take the thing? That's margin call.
What you just said, Trey?
Taking somebody else's money and using their money to invest when the market is already risking up, and so it's already a chance you're gonna lose your money. Why would you go and borrow somebody else's money? You know what I'm saying? To put it in the same risk as market to take a double loss, to possibly take a double loss. I mean, I don't see a point in this. I just don't see a point in taking a loan out, point blank period. Not even a loan in life. You know what I'm saying? Like the interest rates and everything behind the return on the loan is crazy. You know what I'm saying? And, to even take the loan out. When you talking about taking a loan out in crypto, man, please.
You can lose a lot of money in crypto, bro. On margin calls, and you see how much crypto fluctuates. And crypto ain't like stocks. Stocks, you get a 5-10% movement in a year. Crypto, you get a fucking 500% movement in one day.
Or a 500 loss. You can see a 500 gain or 500 loss. And that 500 loss, you know what I'm saying? That can be that man, mama. That can be that man, mama. So just be careful, y'all. Y'all go out there and trying to do options and margin calls and all this stuff. You know, quick flip of your money. The faster that you try to capitalize off your money, is the quicker you can lose. And that's we covered all our words today. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get back into some key conversations about the terms today. I know beta is one of those, you know what I'm saying, ones that we got to, you know what I'm saying, put into the side bank of learning. PE ratios, you know what I'm saying. These are all new terms that, you know what I'm saying, we haven't been familiar with. I'm familiar with a couple of other terms, beta, PE ratio.
I mean, we familiar now.
Yeah, familiar now, but those are words I wasn't familiar with. Like, yeah, those are some new ones. Definitely some new ones. And we got some more new ones. We got earnings per share. We're gonna get that on the list. Break down earnings per share. What else we need?
Look, man, don't y'all worry, man. Over time, man, we will become the best duo when it comes to crypto and stock on a YouTube platform. All right, yeah, y'all on the journey with us, man. Learn together, grow together, get money together. It's that simple. That's simple. We're not no gurus. We just like y'all, trying to learn together. That's it. We just put that shit on YouTube. That's all. Now come on, join your goddamn team and learn with us.
We lagging out and all of that, but we still making it do what it do. You feel me? Y'all get even though we lagging out, you know, sometimes, and if we do, you know, apologies. You know what I'm saying? We'll, you know, it'll get better. Don't worry.
Hey, look.
Live too.
But ain't got that real rich money yet to get that big ass fucking server put in the basement so that we don't never lag ever. You know what I mean? But hey, y'all keep rocking out with us though. You know what I mean? Got no crypto moves going on.
Plan is coming, man, and and we're doing what it do. Just take some time, man, to thank y'all and happy holidays. Getting ready for this new year. Next show, well, actually, hell, we'll be into the new year for the next show. You know what I'm saying? Damn.
It'll be New Year? Damn.
Yeah. Yep. Next show will be the first. It will be January 1st. Wow. It will be the first of the year. We will see y'all on the new year. And Lord's willing, you know what I'm saying? And everybody be safe out there, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy the rest of your holidays. Enjoy your family, friends, you know what I'm saying? Embrace everybody. Right your wrong. Clean your motherfuckers up, you know what I'm saying? Bring in your goddamn new year with a bang, man. You know? Something new. Don't be doing old shit. That's why it's called a new year. Do new shit, not old shit. Some of y'all continue to do old shit.
Stop doing that old shit.
Yeah, just know you coming into the new year to do old shit. What the fuck is the point? You're not trying to be a new you. Every year you're supposed to be a new you. Every birthday you are not the same you that you were, you know what I'm saying, before. You're not that same 44-year-old. You're not that same 30-year-old. You're not that same 20-year-old. You're now 21. You able to drink now. There's certain levels to this shit. You know what I'm saying? You 25 now. You can get into every club.
Yeah.
Didn't do that before. You know what I'm saying? Hell, you 30 now. You can get into every damn club. Really, because some clubs in Tennessee, them motherfuckers 30 and up.
Yeah, I was about to say, once you reach 30, you can get in every club. 30 and up, you good.
Yeah, you in the 30, you in every club. You every club. Ain't no fuck, bitch. I'm in every club. Before that, yeah, some clubs don't allow motherfuckers under 30 to goddamn get in there. Well, it is what it is. All right.
Say what? You lagged out.
Go ahead and let y'all know like review before we get up out of here, you know. Get it in like this.
Stock trading is an intricate world with its own set of terminologies. Some of these terms are well known like stock price, dividend, etc., but others are confusing and less used. Today we will talk about the meanings of 10 uncommon stock trading terms. Market capitalization, total value of a company's outstanding shares. Beta, measure of a stock's volatility in relation to the market. Order book, a list of current buy and sell orders for a particular asset. Limit order, an order to buy or sell an asset at a specific price. Resistance level, a price level where a stock or crypto may struggle to break through. Short selling, selling an asset you don't own in hopes of buying it back at a lower price. Fork, a change or split in a cryptocurrency's code, leading to the creation of a new currency. Gas fees, the fees paid to process transactions on a blockchain. P/E ratio, price to earnings. P/E ratio is the ratio between the stock's price and the earnings per share, EPS. It is used to assess the valuation of stock. Stop loss order. A stop loss is an order that a trader places with their broker. The broker is instructed to sell a security when it reaches a particular price. Candlestick charts. This chart displays price movements in particular sequences known as candlesticks. Blue chip stocks, large, reputable, and well-known companies that have a long track record of steady growth are identified as blue chip stocks. Margin call, when a trader's account drops below the minimum margin requirements, a margin call is placed by the broker to ask for more funds.
That's real. It's just awesome, goddamn. I just like that damn promo right there. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, be safe up there. You know what I'm saying? Have a safe trip back. You know what I'm saying? Everybody out there on the road. You know what I'm saying? Enjoying the holiday season out there on the road. You know what I'm saying? Be safe out there on your travels. And Lord bless you. You know what I'm saying? To get where you need to go. And thank y'all for tuning in to the Bitcoin and Mo show. Don't forget the Unencrypted Crypto show. You know what I'm saying? It's 9 a.m. and then we run it back 9 p.m. It's your man Smelly Coins and Mr. Crypto Tony, the one and only, doing the big. Hey.